Hey Creep family, it's your girl Monica. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you the 10th look in our 13 Days of Halloween series with the Tooth Collector. This is kind of my rendition of like the Tooth Fairy's weird cousin or something. Basically she goes in and tries to steal the teeth before the Tooth Fairy can get to him because she has a jacked up mouth of her own. She's trying to fix it or something. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoy this one. Be sure to stick around to see how I created this look. Alright guys, so to start off, I'm just using a brown eyeshadow and sketching out everything I'm going to be doing on the face and upper body. So placing the mouth down, all the lines around the eyes and the forehead, doing everything on the collarbones and neck. Then we're going in with a white water activated face paint, and I'm just painting all of my face with this, where all the skin essentially is going to be showing. And going back in, I'm just kind of sketching out where the teeth are going to go. Nothing too crazy. Do whatever you want with this. And then we're filling it in with that white face paint. Again, this Tooth Collector look is really dependent on just the mouth being really jacked up, so do whatever you want to do here. We're then taking a black water activated face paint and using this to outline the mouth, as well as fill in all the negative area inside the mouth and outline the teeth. We're then going to prep our lids for some eyeshadow, and I'm just grabbing a variety of browns, dark browns, light browns, all that good stuff. So right now I'm just going in with a dark brown and shading all around my eyes. Once that's done, I'm then starting to sketch this out around the brow bone on top here, as well as underneath the eyeball, on my nose, on the chin. And then going in with a darker brown eyeshadow or a black shadow, whatever you got, and just deepening some of those edges, creating some more dimension, all that good stuff. So pretty much with the face here, I'm following very similar kind of guidelines to when you're doing a skull look, but without making it like a true skull, just kind of accentuating some of those bones that would be kind of protruding from the face. And then we're also going to be doing this to our upper body as well, making it appear kind of gaunt and sickly and just kind of gross, I guess. And then I'm just going in and doing some more detail work wherever I feel like it needs it, using the white to place some highlights down, draw some areas forward, and just kind of doing whatever you want at this point, whatever feels like it needs a little something something. And then as a fun little side note, I decided to put these little black lines on my nose, because why not? Popping these cute little earrings I found. And then we're going to be putting some white paint on our lower lashes, and then putting white false lashes on the top. And then going back in with that white paint and just spritzing this all over, giving us a splattered effect. And then that's it, you guys. You are now the Tooth Collector. I hope you guys like this look. It's a little creepier and different than what we've been doing so far this year. I wanted to do something kind of unique, not just recreating a character, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. As always, like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to become part of our Creep family, and join us for the rest of our 13 Days of Halloween series. We are very close to the end now. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Mwah!